crew up here. This is the group from Jones County Vocational School in Jones County. So please give your attention to them.
We're students from Jones County Vocational Technical High School, but we just call it VOTEC. And our mentor is Dr. Brian Mitchell from Jones County Junior College.
We're from 3 different high schools, and we travel about 7 miles to and from VOTEC every day. We each come from 3 county rival schools, yet we quickly became one united team.
Except on game day.
There are 6 vocational classes taught at our school: auto service, metal trades, business computer technology, collision repair, culinary arts, and graphics.
We're drafting 2 students. In drafting 1, we learned the design and traditional drawing practices of technical drafting, and in drafting 2, we study architectural drawing. This is a drawing of our classroom. On the drafting tables, we use traditional drafting techniques, and on the computers, we use the latest versions of AutoCAD.
In drafting 2, our teacher, Ms. Kirk, is always asking us questions. One of her favorites is, what are the 3 most important design features of a home or business? And we all know they are.
Location. Location. Location.
So this is what GIS is all about. So, on our first attempt at using GIS, we chose a project requested by Jones County Board of Supervisors. Our project was to locate the Department of Human Services complex for Jones County and the City of Laurel. Little did we know.
The project actually had already originally begun in March 2007.
And everyone's been asking the important questions of where, when, and why in April of 2007.
A lot of arguing, discussing, is taking place.
A few money problems arose in March of 2009.
In September of 2009, a location was discussed and parking and problems concerning parking was addressed.
The citizens of Laurel got involved.
Then there was a problem with the property.
Next, there was a town hall meeting to discuss the location.
Now the city and the county kept the debate going.
Still debating the issue in September of 2009.
And this is where we came into the picture, unaware, of course, of the project's previous history.
We began learning about GIS software and doing research on the history of this great debate between the City of Laurel and the county, Jones County, and decided that
Because GIS could not quickly overcome politics.
It's back to the old drawing board.
the new project. When discussing this problem with administration at Jones County Junior College, we learned that we could partner with the Jones County Economic and Development Authority and our Jones County Board of Supervisors to work on a project that had not yet been announced.
In other words, it was top secret, and this presentation would be the unveiling of this new facility. Our new project would be to use state-owned land close to JCJC to recommend the best possible location for a brand new forestry and agricultural sciences facility.
Step 1. We created a base map with these layers: primary roads, secondary roads, county roads, railroads, perennial streams, and intermittent streams.
Water bodies, city boundaries, public land survey, county boundary, gas pipelines, high voltage transmission lines.
Geo-reference ownership map, topographic map, 2006 2-foot northern decision aerial photograph, 2009 National Agricultural Imaging Program photograph, and 10-meter digital elevation model.
With geo-reference and ownership map of the land base near the JCJC campus, identified all state-owned properties within 3 miles of the JCJC campus, then digitized them on our map.
Step 3. We analyzed avoidances. We calculated 150-foot buffers around perennial and intermittent streams and avoided crossing them and identifying their potential locations for building footprints.
We calculated 300-foot buffers for gas pipelines and road crossings. Then, when identifying potential locations of building footprints, we calculated 500-foot buffers for high voltage transmission lines and avoiding crossing them when identifying potential locations for building footprints. This analysis allowed us to identify 4 prospective building sites.
Next, we analyzed travel. This shows our miles of travel from the closest entrance of JCJC to all 4 of the sites. Prospect 1 was 1.72 miles, Prospect 2 was 1.84 miles, Prospect 3 was 1.95 miles, and Prospect 2 was 2.62 miles. Despite having the lowest travel distances, both Prospects 1 and 2 utilized railroad crossings that could be hazardous. We also noticed that Prospect 4 is adjacent to a major exit and intersection with Highway 590, making it easily accessible to high traffic areas. This location is also opposite the advanced technology.
Step 5, we analyze prominence in the landscape. We calculate a view sheds for each of the 4 possible building sites using spatial analysis and various 10-meter digital elevation model. We assume the 50-foot vertical offset to account for the building height. We converted the resulting raster data sets to vector polygons and kept only the visible polygons to be used for subsequent analysis. We used the visible polygons for each of the 4 prospect sites to clear out the road layers and calculate visible mileage of roads by type.
These are the images we collected for each prospect site, with the green area indicating visibility. These are sites per annual.
Prospect 2 had the highest visibility for the primary roads and the highest visibility overall. However, most of the visibility was along the county roads that are less traveled. Prospect 4 is a close second in visibility for primary roads and the second highest overall. It also has the least along county roads.
In conclusion, we developed a GIS to help determine the location for a new forestry and agricultural sciences complex for Jones County. We used the GIS first to locate available land bases. We analyzed avoidances, travel, and projects in the landscape.
Given our analysis, we recommend Prospect 4 as the site for the new forestry and agricultural science complex.
We want to thank our community partners, the Jones County Board of Supervisors and the Economic Development Authority of Jones County.
We also want to thank Dr. Brian Mitchell for the hours and hours of time he dedicated to teaching us about GIS and the art from software. Dr. Mitchell, I'm sure that the lessons we learned from you while working on this project will help us in college and after. Now that this project is complete, we're going to be seeing you on our campus, but I know we'll be seeing you next fall.
We give one more thank you to the EIGS for the software, the laptop, the GPS unit, study material, and your valued time that you gave to each of the students in this room today. Thank you.